Sa 3,992 ka mga bagong abogado nga nakapasar sa 2022 bar exam, nalakip kining graduate sa University of San Carlos School of Law sa talaan sa top 10. Sa passing rate nga 87.25%, 6th placer si Attorney Gabriel Hill Baez, lumad nga taga Calbayog City, Samar. Si Attorney Baez mupaambit sa iyang istorya sa kalampusan ug inspirasyon aron mamahimong usa ka abogado.
O karon mga kapuso, let's all welcome sa ato ang programa ang 6th placer sa bar exam, Attorney Gabriel Baez. Ug sayran ta ang iyahang istorya sa kalampusan mga kapuso, ilabi na ang iyahang study tips din ha. Ilabi na alang sa mga gusto usab nga mamahimog usa ka abogado kay mahibaw gayud kita nga dili lalim kining pag-eskwela sa law mga kapuso. Busa sayran ta usab ang iyahang mga struggles alang sa moong bar exam. Let's all welcome Attorney Baez. Maayong buntag kanimo Attorney ug welcome sa programa.
Hello, good morning. Mayong buntag ninyo tanan mga Subuanon, mga kapuso nga right now who's watching this program, tuning in. Thank you for having me in this wonderful morning, no?
Attorney, una sa tanan, congratulations for placing 6 sa bar exam. Can you take us back the moment you found out nga nag-top 6 ka?
Okay. It was very emotional. It was everyone was very happy and excited as to the achievement. And actually, it was a funny story because that time na live me with my parents ga atang for the results. So gina-stream sa Supreme Court ang the list of passers. Unya napaman ko diri sa first nga column kay kuan pa man dugay man kaayo kay A pa nya di man akong last name. So mao to nya while waiting, anxiously waiting whether nakasulod ba ko or unsa, na-shock na lang ko nga when the good justice of the Supreme Court just suddenly announced nga ang 6th placer kay Baez, Gabriel Hill. So, mo to gi-announce akong name. So, oh wow, okay. Okay, so nakatop di ay ko. So, everyone was really happy, no? Mom and dad was really crying good sa katong time good.
Wow, such a proud moment gayud para sa imuhang pamilya, Attorney. Pero Attorney, usa nakapaagni kanimo aron mamahimo kang usa ka abogado?
Okay, ang inspiration really is my lolo eh. Yan ang kuha manggod siya. At the time, he took up and studied law. However, sadly, he was not able to pass the bar exams. Gani, he took it twice, tapos wala siya nakalusot. Murag, this is really a redemption mission on my end nga to honor my family, my lolo, nga para at nanay abogado sa family, finally.
And I'm sure your lolo is so proud of you, Attorney Baez. Busa, Attorney, usay maingon nimo nga most struggling part gayud sa imong journey nimo aron mahimong abogado and unsa pod nimo pag-overcome kining mga struggles?
Okay. So, I think all of the law students nga og lawyers nga watching right now will agree with me nga it is the daily rigors of recitations in law school. Kay your professors will really challenge you kung nagtuon ba ka right now, how you understand the law, how you were able to comprehend your reading assignments, no? And para nako, it's really agonizing eh. Lisod kaayo siya kanang to overcome those daily struggles, those daily challenges. So I think maogo na siya ang pinaka struggling, most struggling part sa ako ang journey in becoming a lawyer. Is that the discipline required in law school.
And during the whole time nag-review ka sa exam, Attorney, nag-expect ba ka nga malakip ka sa mga top-notchers?
Wala manggod kaayo ko nag-expect ato kay all I really wanted was just to pass eh. So when I took the exam, I just did my best, no? I just gave my all, I just did my best, and I hope for the best pod. I was hoping nga punta magrasyahan ko sa Ginoo nga siguro there was a little part on my end nga I was really hoping nga punta nindot ang result. But I did not know nga ang the best di ay nga gihatag kay mao ni nga me acing the bar exams good. Mauna siya. So I was not really expecting, but I was really more on hoping nga unta magrasyahan ko ato nga time.
And the best is yet to come, attorney. This is just the beginning. Busa unsay gusto nimong tutukan isip usa ka abogado.
Right now kay kuan man kanang I really want to venture into court litigation. Kanang kuan gud so court practice nya. Kuan man gud siya para nako kanang murag it's the most thrilling and exciting part sa practice. So, I'm really looking forward nga I'll be part of the trial community scene here in Cebu City, o sa Cebu, and in the Philippines.
We look forward to that, attorney. Ug isip pa na po sa attorney Baez, unsay mensahe nimo para sa ato ang mga kapuso nga nagtanaw karong buntaga?
Well, siguro akong message pa for everyone, no? In terms of achieving your dreams, is that always pour in the hard work and really never give up para makuha nimo, para makamit nimo ang imong ginakuan, ang imong gina-dream, ang unsay mo ang gusto sa life, because everything is possible through His will and through your hard work. Good. Don't take any shortcuts because there's no shortcuts to getting a good life. Mao siguro na.
Thank you so much.
I think.
And thank you kayo,
Okay.
attorney, sa imuhang mensahe. And thank you for being such an inspiration. Congratulations again.
Yeah, thank you for having me. Thank you for having me.